Using the cutter option. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the cutter option. Open the printer. Remove the outer wrap from the new media roll to prevent contamination. Open the roll holders and insert the media roll. Verify the media sensor is in the correct location for your media. Thread the media through the cutter's media slot and pull it out the front of the printer. Push the media down under the guides. Close the printer. Press the feed button once to exit pause mode. Next, calibrate the product for your media. Press and hold the feed button until the status indicator blinks off and on twice, then release. The product will slowly feed and measure several labels. When calibration finishes normally, the status indicator will show steady green. See the ZPL programmer's manual or printer driver to adjust the cut position and cutter behaviors when printing. Send an EZPL command C to the printer to cut when the printer is stopped.